We have Kaviprasath from Kalinga University. He is going to do his business plan presentation now. We invite Kavin to present.
Good morning, sir. Everyone, today I'm going to discuss about a topic: manufacturing a job plate. First thing is about machine. Machine is nothing about the work what we have to do to empower and to enhance the lives of entrepreneurs and people they serve, and we enable the people in our lives to accomplish more collectively. Second thing is about vision and to create the opportunities, growth, and impact on every community and the country all over the world. And we will be the most valued business partner in all customers. Next thing is about business plan. As we have a plan to construct a manufacturing company and it manufactures the crusher job plates and alloys. So according to the customer's order, we'll just manufacture the job plates and just deliver to the plates to the customers. For example, if the customers ask, we need a machine size of 30x8 G plate or any job plate, we can get manufactured by using a pattern shop, and the pattern shop will measure by using the length, breadth, and thickness. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 mm. So according to the teeth and the top and bottom box, we'll just do the process. And this is the induction furnace, sir. By using this furnace, we'll just put the scraps into it, and it's going to fluid a hot fluid metal, and it furnace boils at a temperature up to 1460 degree to 1480 degrees Celsius. So according to that kilowatt, the temperature will get varied. So these are the job plates, sir. You have to manufacture and you have to deliver to the customers, and the customers give you the pattern, and you have to do by the top, sir. So shall we proceed, sir?
Yes, proceed.
So according to the customer's order, we'll just deliver to the customers. For example, if the customers ask a side plate, we have to do by using the both cope and drag box. That means you can know better today as top box and bottom box. And by using the olive sand, silica sand, and black sand, the process will get started. And from the furnace, sir, through the ladle, it gets molted to the molten metal. You can see in the picture. And the heat temperature is about 1460 to 1480 degrees Celsius. When it comes to the ladle, it will decrease about 50 degrees. So this is a molar. In this, the sand is get poured. So for example, 100 kilo sand is equal to 4.5% of oil, sodium silicate oil. From this, all process will be get done. And this is the financial business plan, sir. To start up the company, initially we have to put 4 crores. From that 4 crores, for 2-ton furnace is 13 lakhs, and 1-ton furnace is 7 lakhs. And for control panel, for operating the furnace, it will become 15 lakhs. And sand muller machine is 3 lakhs. And 5-ton crane to 20 lakhs, and 2-ton crane to 8 lakhs, and 200 kilowatt generator, which produces the current to this furnace, is 9,50,000, and welding machine in order to avoid the blowholes and air holes in the metals. And 2-ton heat treatment for doing the annealing and choking process, 10 lakhs, and 3-ton heat treatment, 20 lakhs. And spectrometer to check the sample for adding the alloys into the furnace. And the grinding machine is used to remove the sample for checking the samples, and materials and scraps, it's allows 70 lakhs. And transformer 11 kVA is 4,30,000, and stepper 7 lakhs, and 3-phase induction motor 5 HP. It is normally present in the cranes to operate from the load. It's 38,000. And 3-phase induction motor 7 HP, it's 40,000. And 3-phase induction motor 15 HP is normally used for molder for bringing the sand out, 60,000 twice. And building constructions 1 crore 50,000. So remaining amount you'll be have in hand is 46,000. So market feasibility, sir. It has a good feasibility, and by selling the product the current time. So according to the crusher job place, we can increase and decrease the rate. And the crusher prices more depend on the market. And lots of companies may increase their price according to the materials, job plates, all crusher job plates. All companies are get competed in this market. So according to the pattern, the job plates are get manufactured. So thank you, sir.
All right. Any questions from our expert panels? We can start from Mr. Shubham again.
Yeah. Hi, Kaviprasath.
Good morning, sir.
On this side. Yeah. Actually, I have seen your PPT. It's okay. It's presentable, but still there are like titles and all. Like you must have prepared in hurry. I do is that what value proposition you are bringing towards your idea. So, what makes you different from the market existing players?
No, sir. Actually, the manufacturers created more demand in this industry, sir. Now, for example, what I'm saying, for crusher job plates, for example, if you take a crusher machine, inside there will be material. So, your material will get broken. So, they'll just refer to any manufacturing companies. We need this machine size of material. So, you have to do the melting and molding process, and you have to do knockout and the fettling dispatch. All process will comes under. So, if you take, for example, sir, material scrap rate is rupees 42 kilo. So you have to make it in a melting, molting, fettling, dispatch. It came on 85 rupees. So if you distribute 88 rupees, we can gain 3 rupees. So according to the different patterns, they have a different rate, sir. For example, if you take side plate, sir, if it's going around 90,000, 1 ton.
So you mean that the value proposition you're not bringing anything, but yeah, as per the demand, we have to localize the manufacturing setup, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Dr. Mahin? Dr. Suhail?
Yeah.
Dr. Mahin is here. Yes, sir, please.
It's a good write-up. Thank you for sharing this. I think one of the things that we need to also look at is what is the market potential for this? You are very focusing on starting up the business and all that. Again, how big is the market? Which market are you going to serve? And what kind of revenue that you are looking at? What kind of costs you are looking at? And also you have to look at the software part of it, yeah, the people, the capabilities, the technology that's available in your place. Your presentation is very much focusing on the hardware requirements, the machines and the jigs and all these things. Yeah, that's very much hardware. What about the software portion? Yeah, the people, the capabilities, and all that. I came from a steel industry, so I can relate to some of the pictures that you have shown. The molten steel and all that. Yeah, so it's all the same.
And the molder and
You're not audible, but it's okay.
I think
take the inputs and improve it. Take the inputs and improve it. Yeah.
You have to put in a little bit more to make it more comprehensive. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you,
Doctor.
sir.
Thank you, Doctor. Dr. Suhail, you want to say any add-ons? Dr. Suhail?
And you are sure what you're going to do. While you are showing your market feasibility, you might show some statistics, the need. So the people who are going to invest it, they can be convinced easily. Your financial part, you have done well, but then you should try to cover in presenting in one table and also add the revenue part. There is no time frame. You should put a kind of Gantt chart from the starting until you go to producing. What is the timeline you are looking at? I think that will make your proposal more strengthened. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaviprasath and expert panel members for that wonderful insights. And